How to create Kanban boards. Kendis Kanban boards are flexible, powerful, and can be used for various purposes. Make sure Kanban boards are enabled in your collection. Go to the left navigation menu, select Kanban boards, and create a new board. To select the items for your Kanban board, let's create a filter for the epics in backlog. We are interested in all the epics except the done. Statuses are grouped by their category. Click on the checkbox to select all statuses. Let's skip done. Type the name of the filter, apply filter, and save. Now let's create a new Kanban board for Open Epics Planning. Select Hierarchy Level as Epic and our recently created filter. If you don't choose a filter, the Kanban board will be empty. A board with 3 columns is created. By default, columns of your board are not mapped to any status or other criteria. The backlog on the left has all the cards initially. You may drag the card and move to any column. Customization options allow you to modify the columns and their mappings. Click on the Edit board and select Layout. To rename a column, click on the name and type a new name, Business Review. Let's have 2 subcolumns. Click on the Add Vertical Split and type Open and Done. You may increase or decrease the width of the column. Let's set the colors of the headers and create other columns. These columns are manual and wouldn't update the item status or other attributes. You may enable mapping and choose from Kendis boards or statuses options. Mapping dropdown will appear on each column. You may leave unselected for some of the columns. Save the settings and updated columns are shown. Drag the cards from the backlog and drop into the respective columns. You may search, apply extra filters. Backlog has its own filters and group by. Filters and group option here is applied to the main board columns. There are multiple group by options available. You may select assignee, batches, or others. For more information, check help.kendis.io.